everyone from desolate Fleetwood. This is all that remains of our Ro-Ro service nowadays. Last sailing, as everyone knows, was 24th when Seafarer went out in a blaze of glory. No but desolation now, look. Sad, isn't it? Everywhere you look, nothing. See. Everywhere empty, just another gulf. It's affected the town badly. Some tourists missing. There's Brent, look, just on his Saturday walk when we're up here, down to the coffee shop. I'm afraid there's nothing left. Morning.
We're watching all this off.
Oh yes, certainly are. We certainly are. I bet there won't be many that's come up from South Coast.
But there isn't, no.
Yeah. See you later, yeah. There's Bren on the Blue Bridge, which we don't need anymore now because there's nothing for it to cross over, is there? No activity. Yes, it was a sad day on the 24th. I made this walk some hundreds of times, but it just ain't the same now. See, look at that. Absolutely nothing. Ever so sad. No lorries, no activity, no friends to wave at. We used to have amongst the drivers. Steamer over there, still going. There's Bren, see? I see no ships, Bren. I see no ships.